Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everything is well with you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Elodia, mom of 3, and I love cooking. Today's recipe, as you saw on the title, I'm gonna make a meal prep for my little sister. We went on a summer holiday and I said to myself, you know what, let me make a meal prep for you because she does work and 4 kids, she has 4 kids, and I said let me meal prep for you before we go back to London. So as you can see, I already washed, cleaned, chopped, cut, and mise en place everything before start cooking. We're gonna cook some meat, vegetables, and a lot of things. Today is day 1 and I have in day 2, so if you're really interested, please, you're gonna check my day 2. But today we're gonna make a meal prep for day 1. So for the first dish, I made pondu, a vegetarian pondu, which is I put cucumber, garlic, spring onion. But first of all, I started with the big vegetables, which are cucumber, courgette, white aubergine, because there's not much space in the pot. The pot was so small, so I started with those vegetables. And the next pot, I'm cooking pork shoulder meat. So inside I put spring onion, garlic, bay leaf, ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna put some Maggi cube. If you don't use Maggi cube, please, you can put salt on or other seasoning. I'm gonna combine or mix it together and cook it in a medium-high heat. Okay, here with the pondu, all the vegetable went down. I'm gonna add the remaining vegetables, which are onion, spring onion, bay leaves, garlic, and palm oil. Guys, if you don't know how I washed my pondu, I have a video that I have a video of pondu. That video will show you how I washed the pondu, and I'm gonna let it cook. Don't stir your pondu until all the water reduces and the oil is cooked. So now my pondu is ready. I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to try to crush all the chunk vegetables. If you don't like cutting your vegetables, guys, you can blend all the vegetables. All the vegetables that I listed, you can blend them and cook it. That makes it really easy, and it has a different taste. It does have a different taste, but it's pondu. So I'm gonna keep on crushing all the vegetables, and then add some seasoning. Like I use Maggi cube, I'm gonna put Maggi cube and Vegeta seasoning. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me, are you a busy mom, a busy dad? Do you love meal prepping? If not, please, I'm telling you, try it. You will come back to me and say it was worth it. Okay, add some water and let it cook in a low heat and stir, and that's it. Pondu, it's easy. It takes a long time, but it's easy to make and delicious to eat. And there you have it. My first meal is ready. I'm going to take it off the stove and go to the next meal. Okay, here the meat is soft, it's cooked. I'm stirring and then just find if the meat is soft, which it was. I'm gonna put it aside and then boil some tomato sauce, make tomato sauce. So here, as you can see, guys, I didn't use oil because the meat already got oil. I don't really use oil, a lot of oil in my cooking. So what I did, I chopped the tomatoes, onions, dry parsley, and garlic. That's it. That's the only thing I use. I'm gonna let it cook until all the water reduces and the tomato is gonna become soft. Here we have it. Tomatoes done. I'm gonna pour in the meat and pour some water and let it cook. And here guys, my meat is cooked. Seasoning was really good. Season your food the way you like it, but please don't put too much salt in your cooking because it's not good for your health. Okay, my second meal is ready. Now I'm gonna go to the third meal, which is fish pepper soup. For the fish, I have chopped tomatoes, chopped garlic, chopped onions, and chopped spring onions. And I'm gonna put dry parsley because I don't have a fresh one, so I'm using the dry one. I put some white pepper and nutmeg. I'm gonna put half a lemon, the juice of a lemon, and I put some seasoning, which is Vegeta. You don't like Vegeta, you can use salt or you can use any seasoning. I'm gonna mix it all together and put half the lemon, half the juice of a lemon. Put 2 glass of water and cook it in the medium-high heat. Yeah, I'm trying to find the lemon seed there. There you go. Hey. And some bay leaf and Scott bonnet. If you don't like your spicy sauce or soup, please skip the part that I put the chili. But really, fish soup without chili, I don't know. And I forgot I put some white aubergine or white eggplant. Here guys, my food was quick. I forgot to put onion when I seasoned everything before cooking, so it was okay because my food was not fully cooked. So I put some onion, mix it. Don't try to use the spoon because it's gonna break the fish. So with the fish, the soup, just stir your pot. Make sure that all the seasoning, everything is combined, but no putting your spoon. If you want to use the spoon, please do it really careful. Be more careful or not, your meat, your fish is gonna break. That's it. My third meal is done. Delicious guys. The kitchen was, the aroma, oh, I wish you were there. As you can see, the fish is done. So my third meal is smoked chicken, and that's part of smoked chicken, another one smoked turkey. So I put ginger and garlic paste and some Maggi cube because I don't really like frying my meat or the poultry. I'm going to grill it and put it in the oven to grill. I have some smoked turkey wings and smoked chicken. And at the time my chicken is grilling in the oven, I'm going to make the sauce, which is the palm soup sauce. I have I put the palm sauce. I add water just to mix everything, and inside I'm gonna put tomatoes, onions, spring onions, garlic, bay leaf, some garden egg or white eggplant, mix it really well, and I'm gonna put my Scott bonnet And then I have blended sorrel or ngai sorrel leaves. It goes really well with the smoked meat. Any meat you have smoke, and the palm sauce is just delicious. There it is, my poultry is cooked and my sauce is nearly done. I'm going to mix in the chicken. I'm going to take off the Scott bonnet because the sauce, my niece says, the little one, the last one, gonna eat the sauce, so we don't want to blend the chili, or we don't want it to be spicy because you're gonna be eating with semolina. Okay, I'm just putting all the poultry inside and stir it, marinate, season it with some Maggi. You can season it with salt, guys. Just use whatever you use to season your food, so you don't have to put exactly what I put inside, like Maggi or Vegeta. Don't go to the shop and buy all those stuff. You know what, just use what you used to use at home. If you have use salt, just put salt. If you use any seasoning that you use at home, use it. Or the meat, you can put goat meat, you can put any meat in the sauce. Just make it your own, but delicious. I'm gonna let it cook. Amazing, the smell, guys. Oh, I'm telling you, it was so amazing. I hope you're liking the video you're watching, guys. Me, I'm enjoying cooking. I'm enjoying the smell, but I'm not gonna cook it because I'm not gonna eat it, because that's not mine. That's my sister's, and that's for my sister's family. So I'm gonna season with Maggi cube. Like I said, use whatever seasoning you do use at home. And our meal is nearly ready. It was so quick. You know, when you prepare everything before cooking, that's the match. It does make a difference. It just quick. You cook really quick. Then if you're cooking, you're chopping, you're cutting, you're blending at the same time, it does take time. But when you wash, cut, clean before starting, it really, guys, it does make a difference. There we go. We are done for day one. Look at the Pondu, the fish. She was so amazing, and I was so happy making for my little sister. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you for my next video for day 2 meal prep for my sister. Bye.